Hi, my sweets. What you're going to need today is your packet, your name tag, and your pencil. We're going to start off with our math facts. Packet, name tag, pencil. You will find Wednesday in your packet. It looks like this. The W. You're going to turn to the next page, which is your math facts. And it says 53 in the top corner. We're going to do this today. I want you to write your name at the top very neatly. Okay. And what we're going to do today, instead of doing the top two rows, we are going to do the bottom two rows. I want to help you with the switching from minus to plus. All right, so we're going to start here with 6 minus 1. What's the first thing I do? We're down 2 rows. 6 minus 1. The first thing I do is circle that minus. Make sure you're down here at the 3rd row. 6, and I hop back 1. Touch 6 and hop back 1. Ready, go. 1. Minus means I lose 1. Smaller number, 5. 1 minus 1, what do I do? Yep, circle that minus. If you have 1 Skittle and you eat it, how many do you have left? 0. 9 minus 1, what do I do? Circle that minus. And I'm going to start at number 9. Start at number 9. I'm going to hop back 1. Ready, go. 1. What number am I at? 8. You're right, crazy 8. Go to the next one, 5 minus 1. What's the first thing I do? Circle that minus. 5 and I lose 1. 5 and I hop back 1, 2, 4. 10 minus 1, what do I do? Circle that minus. Touch number 10 and take 1 away. Ready? Go. 1. What number are we at? 9. Now, if you want to draw a line, you can. These ones down here are plus. We're going to be hopping a bigger number. 3 and I get 1 more. What's the first thing I do? I circle my plus. Now, I'm never going to start at 1. I'm always going to start at the bigger number 3. And I hop 1 more. Ready? Go. 1 is the number 4. Ooh, it's a double. 7 plus. Circle that plus. 7 plus 7 equals. If you don't remember, you have to hop. Start at 7. Hop 7 more because that's what it says. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Let's lean. 0 plus 4. Circle that plus sign. Cross off the 0. And it stays at 4. Awesome. 5 plus 5. Circle that plus. 5 plus 5 equals, you should know this, 10. If you don't, you touch 5 and you hop 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're at number 10. A 1 first and then a 0. And 7 plus 1. Circle that plus. 7 and you hop 1 more. 7. You hop 1 more. 1 is 8. My loves, you need to finish these top 2 rows. So pause me now so that you can finish those top 2 rows. All right, just push your packet away. If you did your math facts, I just want you to look up here at the board with me. Our learning target for today is I will count dimes and pennies. Oh boy, we're going to be counting dimes and pennies. So watch me, please. I forgot to cap my marker. It's going to dry out. Watch. All right, I put up some dimes. I put up some pennies. What I would like you to do is help me. Sorry, I'm scooching things over here so that I can scooch you over so you're more straight on. Is help me write how much each is worth. We can't just count. We can't just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 because they're not all 1 cent. We need to write how many cents each coin is. So this is what coin is this? And that's a dime. How much is a dime worth? 10 cents. So I'm going to write a number 10 on top. Whenever you count money on your papers, you are going to have to write their numbers. Okay, don't just watch me do it. When we do it on the math sheets, you need to do it too, okay? This is another dime. That's 10 cents. It's got that wheat and the torch on the back. That's a dime. This is another dime, 10 cents. Now, we switch to pennies. So what I want you to do, every time that we switch from dimes to pennies, we're going to draw a line. Because that's going to tell our brains, oh, we have to stop counting by tens and we have to switch now to counting by ones because pennies aren't 10 cents. So our brain's got to stop and switch to counting by ones. So how much is a penny? 1 cent. How much is a penny? 1 cent. A penny? 1 cent. 1 cent. I want you to count with me. We're going to find out how much money we have. We're going to write it on the line right there. Watch carefully. Count with me. Slowly by tens. Ready? Set. Go. 10, 20, 30. And then we say switch because I'm going to count by ones. After 30 comes 31, 32, 33, 34. We have 34 cents. Let's count that again. Ready? Tens first. Set. We count the bigger number first. We always count dimes first because they're more money. We don't ever start with the pennies. Which coin do we count first? Dimes. Count with me by tens. Ready? Go. 10, 20, 30, switch. 31, 32, 33, 34. How do I write 34? 30 means 3. 4 means 4. And I can't forget my cent sign. I want you to look up here. It says dimes and pennies, tens and ones. Okay. How many dimes do I have? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. How many dimes? 3. How many pennies? Count with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 34 cents. They're the same, aren't they? Counting by tens and ones, they are the same. Which number's in the tens place? The dimes. The dime is 10 cents. 1, 2, 3. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how many pennies. All right, let's try it again. If you were here at school, I would have you come up and write on top of each coin how much it's worth. All right. Oh boy. All right, can you help me? This marker works better. All right. When we count dimes and pennies, we start with the dimes first. How much is that dime worth? 10 cents. You got it. Now, between my dime and my penny, what am I going to do? Now I'm going to draw a line. Let me scooch it over. Because my brain needs to remember to switch counting, right? How much are pennies worth? 1 cent. So we're going to write ones on top. All right, let's count our dimes and our pennies. We're just going to count by tens and then by ones. Ready, set, go. 10, switch. What number comes after 10? 10 and one more makes 11. So we're going to say 10, switch. One more makes 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's do that one more time. Start at 10 with me. Ready? Go. 10, switch. One more makes 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How do I write 16? A teen number is a 1 and then a 6. Parents, this is why it's so important your child understands and recognizes all these numbers 1 to 20. 1 now, even more on the hundreds chart because we're going to be counting money. They got to know how to write the number. Otherwise, they're going to get it wrong when we come back to school and they have to take a test. All right. How many dimes, how many tens do we have? 1. How many pennies? Count with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 16 cents. 16 cents. We are doing our learning target. We are learning how to count dimes and pennies. All right, let's do a couple more. This is tricky. It's going to be on lots of papers from now on, so we need to make sure we know what we are doing when we are counting dimes and pennies. What coin do we always count first, boys and girls? Yeah, why do we count the dimes first? Because they're more money. You got it. All right, help me. What is this? A dime. How much is it worth? 10 cents. I read 10. What is this? A dime. How much is it worth? 10 cents. What am I writing here? 10 cents. What am I writing here? 10 cents. What am I writing here? 10 cents. What am I putting here? A line, because now, oh, that's not a dime. Nope, nope, nope. That's going to tell my brain when I need to switch counting. How much is a penny? 1 cent. How much is a penny? 1 cent. Count tens by tens and ones with me. Ready? You're going to have to switch. Ready? Set. Actually talk to the computer, count with me. Otherwise, you're not going to know how to do it. Go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, switch. 51, 52, 52. I want you to do it one more time with me. Ready? Set. Go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, switch. 51, 52. How do I write 52? 50 is the number 5, and 2 means 2. How many dimes do I have? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many pennies do I have? 1, 2. All right, we're going to do one more. But this time, it's going to be different. I want you to tell me what coins I need to take out here. I want to show 25 cents. How do I do that? I want to use dimes and pennies to show 25 cents. If you were here, I would have had daddies and mommies send your own dimes and pennies with you to school. And you would be doing this on the tables with me here at school with real money. How are we going to show that? Well, I know I always start with my dimes first. How many dimes are in 25? How many dimes are in 25? 2. I need 2. 2 tens. 10, 20. I can't put up another one. That'd be 30. Then I'm way too much money. How many pennies do I need in 25? How many pennies do I need? 5. All right, count with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's make sure we have 25. I'm going to draw my line here. I'm going to write my 10s on my dimes, my 1s on my pennies. Let's count. Count by 10s and 1s with me. We're going to switch when we get to the line. Use your hand and actually do the motion. We're going to switch. Ready, set, go. Count with me. 10, 20, switch. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Do we have 25 cents? Yes, we did it. Get your brain. All right, my loves. That is our math lesson for today. We will be doing this in math meeting. That's why it's so important to watch math meeting, because every day now for a long time, we're going to be counting dimes and pennies. So if this is hard for you, you will get extra practice in math meeting. That's why math meeting is so important. We met our student learning target. We counted dimes and pennies. My sweets, what you are going to do is you're going to take your packet and you are going to open up to the next page. So you did these top 2 rows. You need to do those. You're going to open up to 53A. We're going to do this together. You need your pencil and your crayons. Pencil and your crayons. Go. When you're done, you can write your name at the top. Very neatly. Oh, come on. There we go. All right, you are writing your name at the top very neatly. Maybe you already have that done already. Now we are going to write the date together. Help me write our date. We are still in the month of December. So let's write uppercase D. That's the name of our month. Trying to make it so it's not so glary for you. There we go. D. E. What letter goes next? E. D. S. What 2 letters make that S sound? C. E. You got it. Decem. M. December. B. What letter says B? B. December. Er. ER. Make sure you're writing little and neat, as neatly as you can and as small as you can, so you can fit this all in one row. December, the date for today is the 9th. You need your cute little comma. And you need the year, 2020, all on that one line. Some of you have very excellent and neat handwriting. It looks just like mine. The day of the week. If yesterday was Tuesday, today is Wednesday. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. W-E-D. W-E-D. So we need to write those letters we just said. W, E, D. W-E-D. And then it goes like this. N-E-S. N-E-S. So we need to write N, E, S. And then it goes D-A-Y, D-A-Y. So make your D, make your A, make your Y. All right. Give you time to finish if you are not done yet. What number do you see At the top of your paper, a 4 and an 8 makes 48. Trace your 48s. And you have to make it 2 times. All right, between your last number 48, you are going to draw a line. Wow, my tongue. Blah, blah, blah. How many tens are in the number 48? Which number's in the tens place? 4, so we're going to write tens. So start over here, T, because you need room to write it. I told you we were going to be doing this eventually. E. You're becoming a big kid, getting you ready for first grade. N. You have to write all the time, but you can do it. Tens. Not a Z. S. Sometimes the S makes the Z sound. Tens. Which number is in the ones place? The 8. So we're going to write 1. O. N. E. Ones. S. All right. It says Stephen had 6 cookies in his lunchbox. What do we need to do? If he had 6 cookies in his lunchbox, what do we need to do? Draw 6 cookies. Just draw 6 circles. Cookies are circles. Draw 6 circles. Go. All right, make sure you have 6. Double check. Wow, his mommy gave him a lot of cookies. It says he ate 3 of them for lunch. If he ate 3, what do we need to do? They're gone. He ate them. We need to cross them off. Cross off 3. We start at the back. 1, 2, 3. If you cross them off up here, you need to erase it and do it again. It needs to be from the back. We need to write our number sentence. How many cookies did he start with? He opened up his lunch and he had, what does it say? A number, 6. If he ate some, if some went away, they went into his tummy, what sign do we need? Minus, minus, yeah. How many did he eat? What does it say? How many did you cross off? 3. 6 minus 3 equals, how many are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. You write 3 again. How many cookies are in his lunchbox now? 3. All right, it says count by tens. Fill in the missing numbers. Okay, we can do that. Count by tens with me. Ready, go. 10, 20, 30, 40. You got it. How do I write a 40? 4, cup of tea. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. How do I write 50? 5, cup of tea. What comes after 50? 40, 50, 60, a 6, and a cup of tea. Make sure you're writing neatly. Your numbers are sitting on the line. They're not up here. They're down here sitting on it. 50, 60, 70, 7 cup of tea. 50, 60, 70, 80. You got it. 8 cup of tea. 60, 70, 80, 90. 9 cup of tea. What goes last? 80, 90, 100. So how do we write 100? 1, 0, and a 0. You need to take out your brown crayon. Take out your brown. It says we need to color the pennies brown. Before we do that, take your pencil. We need to draw a line. Where is the dime and where are the pennies? Penny, 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 not a penny. So with your pencil, you have to do this. I will mark it wrong if you don't on your paper. You need to draw a line between your dime and your penny. You are not coloring the dime brown. Dimes aren't brown. Dimes are silver, they're gray. So we're not coloring him. Color your pennies brown. Do not scribble across them. You color each one in a circle. Because we always do neat work. When you go to first grade, your first grade teachers want to see your neat work. Otherwise, you're going to say, Mrs. Barch, didn't she teach you how to do this stuff? I'm going to say, yes, I did. Oh, the brown broke. Coloring your pennies. You're not scribbling across them. Coloring each one neatly. And you're filling in the white spaces. You're not just going like this and saying you're done. You're filling it all in. All right. Well, that's sad that my brown broke. I'll put it there so I can always find it. Now you need your pencil. We need to write how much money each coin is worth. How much is this dime? I told you we were going to do this on our paper. What we just did in the lesson, we're going to do on our paper. How much is a dime? 10 cents. You need to write a 10. You have to. Write a 10 on top. How much are these pennies? 1 cent. You're writing a 1 on top of each one. Now we're going to count. So park your pencil so that you can touch and do the switch. Ready? Set, go. 10, switch. After 10 comes 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's do that one more time. Ready? Set, go. 10, switch. 11, 12, 13, 14. Listen carefully. When it says color the pennies brown, how much money is this? You're not just counting the pennies. You're counting all of it. All of it. But you're coloring these brown so you don't count by tens for those. We need to write 14. How to write 14? A team number starts with a 1 and then a 4. And my cent sign. You need to have your cent sign. Otherwise you're going to get it wrong. We're counting money. It says, how many squares are in the first train? Count with me. Ready? Set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're going to write a 10, a 1 and a 0. You are going to finish this by yourself. You are going to color 3, write how many you did not color. Then you're going to color 4. Then you're going to write how many you did not color. We've done this many times, so you're going to do that by yourself. When you're done, ask your grown-up to upload your math facts. You need to finish them, and 53A to the blue math folder. Have a good rest of your day, my sweets. Bye. You learned how to count by tens and ones, dimes and pennies today, like a grown-up.